Okay, here we start at 8, 5, which is factoring x squared plus bx plus c. So first of all, how to factor? Before I start factorization, let's start to know the rules of factorization. Rules of factorization. How to factor? First, I have to look for C. So C here, it is my main idea. I have C and B. What is the C? C, it is the multiplication of the two factors. So C, it is multiplication of the two factors. B, this is the B. This is the C. B, it is addition of these factors. When I'm saying addition, it could be adding or subtracting. Especially in two cases, I can have the same sign in both parentheses. Okay, so here C, it is a multiplication, the two numbers. If I multiply them, giving me C. If I add them, I will obtain B. The second, let's go to the second rule. When C is positive, and here I have another rule in factoring. In factoring, I have two cases. The first case, if C is positive. The other case, when C is negative. So we said C means the multiplication of A times B. And B, it is the addition of A plus B. Okay. That's the first one. This is the second one. Here, if C is positive, hope that my voice is clear. C is negative. So if C is positive, I have two cases. The first case, it could be B positive. Here, this is the first case. This is the second case. If P positive or P negative. This is the first case. C positive and B positive. So here the both parentheses will be positive and positive. Okay, if C positive and B negative, so both parentheses are negative. Okay, if C negative, I have both parentheses. One is positive, the other one is negative. One is positive, the other one is negative. And the greatest factor takes B sign. The greatest factor takes B sign. Okay, can you please take a screenshot and submit it to our group? Start, who can take with me the screenshot? Sundus, can you take the screenshot and submit it to the group, please?
Okay, wait, teacher.
Okay, who are ready, guys? Because you need to continue the next. Shall I skip? Shall I skip? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's take the first example, which is, what is the factored form of x squared? X squared plus 8x plus 15. Now I'm asking myself two numbers. If I multiply them, I can obtain the 15. So it is 3 and 5. Let me check. If I add them here, if I multiply them, I can obtain C. If I add them 3 plus 5, I can obtain 8. So here, yes, it is the middle term. It is 8. So the two factors they are x plus 3, x plus 5. Why you said plus? Because I have C is positive and B is positive, means two parentheses taking the B sign. So here, C positive, B positive. So post parentheses taking the B sign. Okay, and these conditions we supposed to memorize very well. Okay, done, guys. Here, if you want to take screenshot, start to take screenshot. Clear with you? Done? Okay, let's take the second question. The second question, try to do it alone in your copies, guys. Try to do it alone in your copies. Yes, okay. I'm waiting for a couple of minutes. Take your time. Okay, what I will write here, 24, it could be 3 and 8, yes? 3 and 8. So 3 times 8, both of them, they are equal to 24. If I add them together, 3 plus 8, giving me 11. Yes, so I can use 3 and 8. So it could be the two parentheses. The first one is R, second one is R, 3 and 8. And here I can draw plus and plus. So here it is a very simple idea, which is R plus 3, R plus 8. Here the R, C is positive, P is positive. So post parentheses taking the positive sign. Hope you understand the second or the got it one. Have you finished a screenshot? Screenshot and submit it to the group that help the others to understand in these situations. Okay, let's go to the next. Here I'm working with another part, which is C is positive. You have to look for the C. C is positive. Take care, B is negative. So first of all, I have to look for the C is positive, B is negative. So if C is positive and B is negative, so post parentheses taking negative sign. Post parentheses taking B sign. Okay, here I have to look for the 24. It is 8 times 3, like I said. So here, if I add them, add 8 plus 3, it is 11. Here, multiply them equals 24. So now I have two parentheses that both of them taking the B sign. So both of them are negative, and the factors are x and 3, x and 8. Hope that you understand the idea. Now let's take another example. 8, two numbers, if I multiply them, giving me 8, which is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 giving me 8. And here it is 6. So 2 plus 4, yes, it is 6. So yes, I can use the factors 4 and 2. Now I will open the parentheses. Take care, the C is positive and B is negative. So post parentheses taking a negative sign. So here Y and Y, and here it is 2, and here it is 4. Okay, guys, hopefully you understand what I'm saying now. Can you please take a screenshot, please? Done? Yes, guys, done? Thank you. Okay, look at the next. Here we have another operation, which is here. C now, it's negative. So we said together, if C negative, let's go back to the rule of the second part. If C negative, so means I have two parentheses. One parenthesis is positive, the other one is negative, right? And the greatest factor takes a B sign. Okay, this is the rule if C is negative. Okay, look at here, 15, yes, 3 times 5. Take care here, the B, it is not addition. B here, it is subtraction. B here, it is subtraction. 3, 5 minus, in this case, it's 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, so here the B, in this case, take care, the term B, it is subtraction. Subtraction of factors. So in case of C is positive, the B, it is addition of both factors. In case of C is negative, so B, it will be subtraction of both factors. Yes, if I subtract them, I will obtain 2, which is the middle term. So now I will open 2 parentheses, and the first one will be x, the other one will be x. Here it's 5, here it is 3. Now I'm gonna ask myself, what is the B sign? B sign is positive. Okay, let's back to the rule. The greatest factor takes a B sign. Which one is greater, 5 or 3? 5 is greater. So that it will be plus here the same sign of B, and the other one takes the negative sign. Again, the plus or the addition takes the B sign, and the other one or the smaller factor takes the opposite sign. Now, it is your turn, try to do it, but just to save the time, I will try to do it now with you, and please try to re-answer these practice after the session directly. Don't wait, because that means you'll forget the rules. Look at C, I need to look for the two numbers. These two numbers, if I multiply them together, I can obtain 36. It could be 6 times 6.
6 and 6.
It could be, bravo, 9 times 3. Isn't it 9 times 9 times 4? Yes, 4, yes. It is 36. Here it is 36. So let me here, we said C is negative, means the B here, it is subtraction, yes, subtract the 2 factory by A minus B, yes, and here it is C, B here, it is A minus B, C, it is A times B. Okay, now let's subtract 9 minus 4 equal, here it is 9 times 4 minus 4 equals, okay, I need one more, 6 minus 6, it will be 0. Any more numbers that I can multiply together, giving me 36? Such a problem, it is a little bit silly, right? So what I have to do, I prefer
3 and 12.
3 and 12? Bravo.
Yeah.
12 times 3, which is 36. Okay, let's subtract. 12 minus 3 equals 9. Yes, this is the true. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, bravo, thank you so much. So here I prefer to start all of the values that it could be one of the factors. So start with C, then subtract in case of C is negative. Here I supposed to work with B as subtraction of them. C is positive, so the B, it is addition of them. Yes, so which factors that I use? I will use 12 and 3. So I have here two parentheses. The first parenthesis N, the other parenthesis is N, and the first factor 12, the other factor is 3. Which one takes the B sign? It is a greater factor, which is 12, and the other takes the negative sign. Thank you so much. Have you finished? Okay, let's go on the next. After explaining all of these practice, I will start to teach you how to use calculator in calculator section to find the answer. And in case on the exam time and quizzes time, you can use both ways. The first way to check your understand to do it, and the other way, which is the calculator, check your answers to be sure that your answer is true. Now we can use a calculator. Now bring me your calculator. The calculator. And the calc, it is one of the SAT parts, so I prefer to learn how to use it calc. Here, right, to use mode 5-3. Some of the calculator, which is white and black, so you use setup 9 to 1, I think that. This is the white and black, and this is the gray calculator. Okay, what you have to say here, you will find if you use the mode 5-3, you will find the three parts. The first part, write the coefficient here, the coefficient here 1, the coefficient here -4, the coefficient here -21. So then use equal, you will find the final answer. Can you tell me what is the final answer if you use a calculator? Yeah.
It's not, teacher. I cannot do it with the calculator.
I did it, but didn't give me anything.
Try best. Try to do it with the calculator. Mode 5-3. Do you want me to check that with the calculator to show you?
Yeah, I did mode 5-3, but it didn't open.
Okay. Just a moment here.
Yeah. And I did the one for setup.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Can you see my scientific calculator, guys?
Yeah.
Okay,
I can
thank you. You can see it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now use mode. This is mode, not that 91. I need the sign to 91, not that one. It is Casio, scientific calculator, Casio 1. Here, scientific calculator. Can you find it?
Teacher.
Yes.
In mine, I did setup 922. It gave me the one for 8x plus bx plus c.
What is the color of yours? It is black and white?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, what you did here, setup 922 or 21? 22.
No, 22.
It's okay. Yes. And the gray one, you can use it. Mode 5-3, 22. What you wrote here 1 and you wrote negative 4 and you wrote negative 21, yes, right, equal. What did you find?
Teacher, I can't make it.
What did you find? Okay, tomorrow instead of waste time.
4.8 or something.
Oh, bravo, Alec. Excellent, bravo. So instead of waste time, I will re-explain. I will complete explanation here for all because no more time. I just have 9 minutes for my session. I will complete. Please tomorrow, bring me your calculator, right, guys? All of you tomorrow, bring me your calculator. I will teach you how to do it by using the calculator and how to check your answers by using the calculator. Are you agree, guys, for this? Tomorrow, to be visualized. Okay, here, 21. So this is the C, 21. I need two numbers. If I multiply them together, I can obtain 21, huh? It is?
7 times 3.
Bravo,
7.
yes, I'm sorry. 7 times 3. Okay, if I subtract them, 7 minus 3 equals, yes, 4. And here, if I multiply them, giving me 21. So here, two parentheses. The first one, C, the other one, C. The first one, it's 7. The other one, it's 3. Take care, the greatest number or the greatest factor takes the C sign. B sign here is negative. So the greater factor takes negative and the other one takes positive. Okay, hopefully you understand. Can you take screenshot very fast? Then let's do it. Go to the next step. Yeah, done. Okay, here geometry. The area of rectangular given the trinomial x squared minus 2x minus 35. What are the possible dimensions of the rectangular? Use factorization. Here 35. So who can tell me what is the 35 it could be? Here C is negative. He can, that means I have two parentheses.
Maybe 7
one
times
positive,
5.
one negative. 7 times 5. Giving me 35. Yes, that's true. If I subtract them together, B, it is subtraction 7 minus 5, which is here will be 2. So yes, I can use these factors. Number one is x, and here it is 7. Here it is 5. One of them is positive. The other one is negative. The positive, the greatest factor takes the B sign, greatest factor takes a B sign, which is here, this is negative, and the other one is positive. So here, this is the factors. Yes, that's true. Okay. Yes, is it okay, works with you?
Yeah, it's okay.
Now let's go on the next step, which is a rectangular area. It is x squared minus x minus 72. In this case, I have to ask myself 72. It is, I need two numbers. If I multiply them together, the difference giving me 1 or negative 1. So which two numbers, if I multiply them, giving me
9
1?
and 8.
It is 9 and 8. Bravo, excellent. Thank you so much. So 9 times 8 giving me, yes, 72. And if I subtract 9 minus 8, giving me 1. Bravo. So this is C and this is B. Amazing work. MashaAllah, you are great worker. So the first one is X, other one is X, 9, and here 8. Take care, greater factor takes the B sign. So yes, it is negative here and positive there. And here, this is the final answer. Done?
Done.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, still with me. Problem 5. Here he gives me another rule, which is what is a factor form of x squared plus 6x times y minus 55y squared. Here it looks like a helpful work. Okay, so factoring a trinomial with two variables, how you can do it? How can tell me how you can do such a problem? How you can factor such problem. This is my work tomorrow because I'd like you to not to confuse from the such question, and which is very easy if you can factorize the two factors. Okay, so I'm gonna deal with the 55y squared as if it is c, and 6x times y, it is b, and
We can
x
put y
squared,
in the
it
two
is, huh? Yes,
Yeah.
yes, Sundus, what's your opinion?
I'm saying that we can put the y with the two parentheses, the number in the two parentheses.
Y in two parentheses, okay.
Like x plus the number, then y.
X plus, then are you agree, guys, what Sundus just said?
Or x minus the number, then y.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much
Like
for
the
your
y, we're gonna put it with them.
great idea. Okay, huh. Who has any more opinion, guys? Any more opinion? Okay, shall I take any greatest common factor? Huh? Can I make grouping? Can I make grouping here?
Grouping.
Huh? Can you tell me how to do such a problem? Tell me your opinion only. Huh? Okay, by the way, this is the preparation question for tomorrow. This is the preparation question for tomorrow. Tomorrow we will work this inside the class time. All of my best wishes for all of you guys. Tomorrow we will start with problem 5. Hope that you understand the session today. Still with me in this lesson, only problem 5, and got it 5, and now we can finish. That's all. Okay, here only this problem with me. Can you try? We have couple of minutes. Can we try it again back here now? What's your opinion? Do you like to try? Do you like to try this? Okay, tomorrow we will start to explain how to factor trinomial with two variables. All of my best wishes to you. Love you as usual so much. See you tomorrow, inshallah, in the class time in the school. And we will try to prepare one more time on Wednesday. We will back to the free Zoom session to explain the rest of the lessons. Best wishes to you. Don't forget to back re-answer what we started today. Goodbye. See you.
Bye.